We know the three trigonometric identities are sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on these trigonometric identities. So the first question goes like this: sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square. We need to prove the left hand side is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So we will take the left hand side, sin A plus cosec A the whole square. I am going to use the identity A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So same way, sin A plus cosec A the whole square I can write as sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. Same way, this also I am going to open the bracket or expand with this identity A square plus 2AB plus B square. So I can write cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 sec A into cos A. Now next step, sin square A plus cosec square A plus this I can write 2 sin A into cosec A I can write as 1 by sin A. Cosec A is the reciprocal ratio of sin, plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 into sec A I can write as 1 by cos A into cos A. So this cos A and cos A cancel, same way sin A and sin A cancel. So we have sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2. Again I am going to write sin square A plus cos square A together. So I have sin square A plus cos square A plus the remaining cosec square A plus sec square A, and this 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we know sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A plus 4, so which is equal to 1 plus 4 is 5. This cosec square A I can write as 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A I can write as 1 plus tan square A. So all the three trigonometric identities we have used in this problem. Now 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So which is equal to 5 plus 1 is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. That is equal to our right hand side. You can see our right hand side, which is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So here we have opened the bracket using the identity A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then this cosec we have changed as 1 by sin. Same way, the sec we have changed as 1 by cos, we have cancelled, and the three trigonometric identities we have used here, and finally we arrived at the right hand side 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So the second problem is cosec A, show that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So we will take the left hand side, we will arrive at one answer, give that equation number 1. Same way you take the right side, you arrive at one answer, give that equation number 2. So then we will prove that from 1 and 2, it is clear that left side is equal to right side. So first we will take the left side. So take LHS, which is equal to cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. I know that cosec A I can write as 1 by sine A minus sine A into sec A I can write as 1 by cos A minus cos A. So which is equal to the reciprocal, the LCM is sine A, so which I can write as 1 by sine square A divided by sine A. Same way here LCM is cos A, which and I can write as 1 minus cos square A. And by identity we know that sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1, or 1 minus sine square A equal to cos square A. So I can write numerator as cos square A divided by sine A into, same way 1 minus cos square A is sine square A divided by cos A. So 1 sine A will get cancelled, same way 1 cos A will get cancelled. So when you simplify the left side, we finally got as cos A into sine A. Let this be equation number 1. Now we will simplify the right hand side. We should get the same answer, cos A into sine A. So the right side is 1 by tan A plus cot A. So this I can write as 1 divided by tan A I can write as sine A by cos A, and cot A I can write as cos A by sine A. So which is equal to 1 divided by LCM is cos A sine A, and sine square A plus cos square A when you take the LCM. And we know that sine square A plus cos square A is 1, which is equal to cos A. So 1 divided by 1 by cos A sine A is nothing but cos A sine A. Give this equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we got cos A sine A, and 2 is also cos A sine A. When you simplified left hand side we got cos A sine A, and similarly when you simplified right hand side we got cos A sine A. So it is clear that I can write from 1 and 2 cosec A minus sine A into sec A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Now the third question is, show that 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square equal to tan square A. So first I'll prove 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A equal to tan square A. First I'll prove this, then I will take 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square A. So for this I will write, I'll take the left hand side. So 1 plus tan square A, by trigonometric identity we know it is sec square A. Same way 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. And we know that sec is the reciprocal ratio of cos and cosec is the reciprocal ratio of sine. So sine square A, this I can write 1 by cos square A into sine square A divided by 1. So sine square A divided by cos square A is nothing but tan square A. So first part we proved. Now we'll prove the second part. Now the second part is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square A. So here tan A I can write as sine A by cos A, and cot A I can write as 1 minus cos A by sine A the whole square. So which is equal to, I will take the LCM, cos A minus sine A divided by cos A, and here when I take the LCM I have sine A minus cos A divided by sine A the whole square. So this I can write cos A minus sin A divided by cos A the whole square divided by sin A minus cos A by sin A the whole square. So this I can write as cos A minus sin A the whole square divided by cos square A into sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A the whole square. So which is equal to cos A minus sin A the whole square divided by cos square A into sin square A. Now this I can write, if I take the minus sign outside, I can write cos A minus sin A the whole square. And so I can cancel these two, cos A minus sin A the whole square, and minus 1 the whole square is definitely 1 only. So I have finally sin square A divided by cos square A, so which is equal to tan square A. So both we have proved that, which is equal to tan square A. First we have taken the left side and we've proved that it is equal to tan square A. Same ways we have taken the right side, we have proved that it is equal to tan square A. So thank you for watching the video.